going to talk about a very, very cool modification. It's an E36 front strut bar. Now this item has been super popular on our website. It looks good, it functions. It's a really great item. And now basically what you end up doing by getting a front strut bar on your E36 is stopping the strut towers from moving. And you might wonder, why would I want that? Well, when a chassis flexes through the turns, the car becomes a little bit unpredictable, and it won't feel like it, but when you put the bar on, you will feel that there's a more front-end grip, and that's because you've gotten the strut towers to stop moving. Another benefit of running a strut bar in your E36 is sometimes the strut bar actual mounting points, they mushroom from the factory. Now, BMW sells an OEM reinforcement that fits in your strut tower, and that can also be found on our website. But this also helps strengthen that area because now you have a very thick 11 gauge piece of steel on the top of that. So this can be very helpful in preventative maintenance for your E36. Now this strut bar is available in bare, white, blue, red. We can do most powder coating colors. If you don't see it on our website, just leave it in the notes, and in most cases we can get it done for you. This one is a particular setup that's tubular. It clears a lot of the sensors found on various E36s, and it's just a great bang for buck item. Be sure to click on the link below to check it out.